Hello everyone, welcome back to another Unboxing with Scott. For today's video, we're checking out another red sight scope. So let's show you guys what you get inside the box and show you guys what it looks like up close. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. So this one has two caps on it that you lift and you pull out. They do come directly off. So inside here is where your battery is going to be. Okay, so right now there's no battery inside, and you just thread that off. The top piece gets threaded off. They normally provide you with the battery. Here's your riser for mounting on your gun if you want. You can also mount it on just directly like this as well. They give you a manual, and yes, they give you your adjusting tool, and they give you two batteries, so you get a spare and a cleaning cloth. Again, for putting the battery in, it's as simple as showing up to the dinner table and your mother having your food ready for you. So you drop in your battery just like that, and you align this piece up, and you just simply thread it right back on. Once you have it threaded on, you can then go ahead and make it tight, and then you can actually select your laser. So let's show you guys. All right, this is everything up close. So this is the cap that they give you. Here is the tool that they provide you with as well. Battery and a manual. Make sure you check out your manual for more features, and also check out the listing for compatibility. So this is the riser, and you only really need this if you want your sight to be lifted up higher. So that would get mounted on like this, and then that would get mounted on your stock on your gun. So we can go ahead and show you guys here the laser. So really nice laser. You can adjust on the top and on the side. You can adjust the position of the laser when you're shooting. Again, check out your manual. You twist this piece up here, and that allows you to change the color. That allows you to change the brightness of the color. So if you see over here, number 11, that's going to be your brightest. So in person, you can see it much easier than the camera shows. The camera has a hard time of adjusting to it. But yeah, it's a nice laser sighted. And you know, there's no laser that points. So many people are like, oh, where's the laser? No, it's actually built inside, and it doesn't shine outward, which is pretty cool. Overall, nice little sight. And for turning off, you just turn it to 0. 0 is going to be your off and button, and then 1 is going to be dim, and up to 11 is going to be the brightest.